Transform your dreams into a reality with a mindset shift. What if the key to unlocking your dreams lies not in your circumstances, but in your mindset? Imagine transforming your deepest aspirations into tangible realities. Stay with me, because today we're diving deep into the art and science of turning dreams into reality through powerful mindset shifts. Throughout history, countless individuals have faced seemingly insurmountable obstacles, yet they achieved extraordinary success. What sets them apart? It's not just talent or resources. It's their mindset. By the end of this video, you'll understand how a shift in perspective can be the catalyst for monumental change. We'll explore 5 actionable steps that you can implement today to start your journey toward realizing your dreams. Consider the story of Mark Allen, a triathlete who, at 37, aimed to become the oldest Ironman champion. Despite intense physical and mental challenges, he clinched his 6th Ironman title, attributing his success to mental resilience and strategic focus. His journey underscores a vital truth: our mindset can either be our greatest ally or our most formidable adversary. Step 1. Define your vision clearly. Clarity is the foundation of achievement. Without a clear vision, efforts can become scattered and ineffective. Actionable steps. Visualize your desired outcome. Spend time each day imagining your goal is already accomplished. Engage all your senses to make this visualization vivid. Write it down. Documenting your goals reinforces commitment and provides a tangible reference point. Set specific, measurable objectives. Instead of a vague goal like, "I want to be successful," define what success looks like for you in concrete terms. Real-life example. Dr. James Doty, a neurosurgeon, emphasizes the power of writing down intentions and visualizing them. This process engages the brain's attention networks, making goals more achievable. Step 2. Cultivate a growth mindset. Embracing the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed is crucial for overcoming challenges. Actionable steps. Embrace challenges. View obstacles as opportunities to learn rather than insurmountable barriers. Learn from criticism. Constructive feedback is a tool for growth, not a personal attack. Celebrate effort, not just results. Recognize and reward the hard work put into the process, regardless of the immediate outcome. Real-life example. Individuals who adopt a growth mindset are more likely to achieve their goals, as they see failures as learning experiences rather than setbacks. Step 3. Develop resilience and perseverance. The path to success is rarely linear. Building resilience ensures you can navigate setbacks without losing momentum. Actionable steps. Set incremental goals. Break down your main objective into smaller, manageable tasks to prevent overwhelm. Maintain a positive outlook. Focus on solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Seek support. Surround yourself with individuals who encourage and uplift you during challenging times. Real-life example. Kelsea Ballerini, a country music star, faced public struggles and personal challenges, but emerged stronger by focusing on self-acceptance and seeking therapy. Step 4. Implement strategic planning. A dream without a plan is merely a wish. Strategic planning bridges the gap between aspiration and realization. Actionable steps. Set deadlines. Assign timeframes to your goals to create a sense of urgency and accountability. Identify necessary resources. Determine what tools, knowledge, or support you'll need and how to acquire them. Monitor progress. Regularly review and adjust your plan to stay aligned with your objectives. Real-life example. Entrepreneurs who meticulously plan their business strategies are more likely to succeed, as they can anticipate challenges and prepare accordingly. Step 5. Take consistent action. Consistent, deliberate actions compound over time, leading to significant results. Actionable steps. Establish daily habits. Integrate small, productive actions into your daily routine that align with your goals. Stay disciplined. Commit to your plan even when motivation wanes. Adapt when necessary. Be flexible and willing to adjust your approach in response to feedback or changing circumstances. Real-life example. Robin Sharma, a self-help expert, advocates for daily consistency and structured routines as keys to personal success and fulfillment. Overcoming common obstacles. Even with the best plans, challenges will arise. Recognizing and preparing for them can make all the difference. Common challenges and solutions. Procrastination. Combat this by setting clear, achievable tasks and holding yourself accountable. Fear of failure. Reframe failure as a learning opportunity that brings you closer to success. Lack of support. Seek out communities or mentors who can provide guidance and encouragement. The science behind mindset shifts. Research in psychology underscores the profound impact of mindset on achievement. Studies have shown that individuals who set clear implementation intentions are more likely to achieve their goals. Your dreams are within reach, but the journey begins with a shift in mindset. By defining your vision, cultivating growth, building resilience, planning strategically, and taking consistent action, you pave the path to success. Now, it's your turn. Like this video if you're ready to transform your dreams into reality. Comment below with the first action you'll take today toward your goal. Subscribe for more insights and strategies on achieving the success you deserve. Listen to our How You Can playlist for daily changes to your subconscious for every lasting results. Remember, the power to change your life lies within you. Embrace it and start your journey today.